Botox for cosmetic purposes has been used for over 25, 35 years. So there's a lot of experience with it. And the number one area on the face that it's used for is for those bad boys. Okay?
Sometimes I call it the 11s. A lot of ladies have two.
Yeah.
I just have one.
She just has the little bum, but lots of people have two for the 11s. And I'm just going to describe on you briefly. So what the reason this happens because she has 3 different muscles here that do this. All right. She has one here that pulls down, and then the other 2 that also pull in. And the ones that pull in are referred to as corrugators because they corrugate your forehead. So the strategy with Botox is actually to stop the movement of these 3 muscles. All right. It involves basically 5 little injection points, one in this guy, and then one in the belly and one in the tail of these guys. So that sort of distribution is what happens in almost all treatments of frown lines or what's technically referred to as the glabella, if you hear that word. Okay?